Chewy lemonade fruit snack. Hi, I'm Gabby,
And I'm Susanna.
and we're here to teach you how to make chewy lemonade fruit snacks. For the ingredients, you will need a half a cup of lemonade concentrate, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of non-flavored gelatin.
And we're using lemonade fruit concentrate today, but you can also use pink lemonade or limeade if you like those better. But orange juice and grapefruit juice, they're too thick, so they won't work in this recipe. And for this recipe, you will need the following equipment: 1 medium microwave-safe bowl, a rubber spatula, oven mitts, a storage container, baking sheet, 2 silicone lemon slice molds, and 1 eyedropper. And bonus, these are included in your box.
I'm so excited to make these delicious treats.
Awesome. Okay, so we are going to start by combining the thawed lemonade concentrate in this bowl with the lemon juice and the sugar. So the best way to thaw frozen concentrate is to either put it in the refrigerator overnight to let it thaw, or just to let it sit on the counter for 1 to 2 hours. And now we're going to take the gelatin and we're going to sprinkle that over top. And then you're going to use this rubber spatula and we're going to stir this until there's no big lumps. Gelatin is special for 2 reasons. First, it's a water magnet, so it absorbs liquid really easily. And the second reason is when gelatin is hot, it's a liquid form, and when it's cold, it's a solid. Both of these properties are what make our lemonade fruit snacks nice and chewy. So now we're gonna put the rubber spatula here, and we're gonna let that sit for 5 minutes. So what do we wanna do while we wait?
I know. Let's dance.
Let's dance? All right, I'm gonna let you lead the way.
Wow, that's practically a solid.
Whoa, that's right. That's because the gelatin absorbed a lot of lemonade concentrate. So now what we need to do is we need to take this mixture and we need to turn it back into a liquid. And to do that, we're gonna take it to the microwave and heat it back up. All right, so we're gonna take this mixture and we're gonna pop it in the microwave for 1 minute. There we go. You wanna climb up and take a look?
Let me check it out. 10 more seconds.
10 more seconds, here we go. All right, so we're gonna open this up. And we're gonna take this out and take it back to the counter to give it a quick stir, okay?
Yep.
All right, so that's cooked for about a minute, so we're gonna give it a quick stir until it's nice and combined. And then we're gonna go back to the microwave and we're gonna heat it up until we start to see it foam and bubble, okay?
Back to the microwave.
That's right, back to the microwave. We're gonna heat it for 1 more minute until it starts to bubble around the edges and foam up, okay? All right, she's going. Whoa, it is definitely starting to foam. And actually, I'm gonna grab an oven mitt because it is super hot at this point. And bring it over. All right. So now, careful, this is super hot. Now that that's heated, we're gonna give this 1 quick stir. Make sure to use an oven mitt, okay, so you don't burn yourself. We're gonna stir this up until it's nice and smooth.
Ooh, that stinks.
It stinks, yeah. Once they're chilled though, they will taste great. They won't smell at all. And now we're gonna fill the molds. Ever used an eyedropper before?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So why don't you hold on to it? And we're gonna dip the eyedropper into the mixture and squeeze the top so that it fills all the way up just like that. There we go. All right, let's refill that. See how bubbles are coming out? Because what happens is when that chills, the bubbles will stay in there. Okay, so let's fill that one. Even if there's some bubbles, we don't have to worry about it because it'll still taste great. All right? Okay. Nice work. All right, so we're gonna keep filling until they're all filled up. So now that that's finished, we're gonna take this baking sheet and we're gonna pop it in the refrigerator and we're gonna let it set for 30 minutes. Okay? Do you wanna pick that up, 2 hands? There we go. And we're gonna head to the refrigerator. All right, it is time to check the snacks. All right, these look good. So we're gonna pull these out. All right, so now these are all set. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop these out of the molds. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna invert it and we're gonna pop that forward, grab the corner, and pull it right out. How do they feel?
They feel really sticky.
Yeah, a little sticky.
And kind of gooey.
A little gooey, right? But are they firm? They're not liquid, right?
Yeah.
They pop right out.
They're like liquidy solids.
Liquidy solids. But look how cool. You can see the texture from the molds is right in there. All right, so now I'm gonna take that and we can put these all into this container. What we can do is we can heat this mixture back up in the microwave for another minute until it's bubbling, and we can refill the molds to finish off the batch because we'll make another 2 trays, or we can eat them right now. What do you want to do?
Eat them.
All right.
Whoa!
So our magical test chefs in the back kitchen made us a batch of pink lemonade and limeade fruit snacks for us to taste.
Ooh.
All right. Yeah, you can take one from there. Those are the ones you made, so I can taste those. I'm gonna taste the limeade. What do you think?
They are delicious.
Delicious? What's the texture like?
It's kind of like soft.
Soft?
And mushy.
Mushy or bouncy? Which one's your favorite?
The pink lemonade.
Oh, the pink lemonade. I like that one too. I'm gonna try one more. For more fun texture recipes,
go to atkkids.com.